How to listen music for free without iTunes or Spotify. Begin by navigating to the App Store on your device and initiate a search for the Tubity FM app. Download and install the Tubity FM app onto your phone from the App Store. Once the installation is complete, launch the Tubity FM app. To explore its features, locate the search option positioned at the bottom right corner. Utilize the search function to find any song you desire. As an example, let's search for a particular song of your choice. Once you've found the desired song, you have two options. You can either listen to it instantly or opt for the download feature. Choosing the download option allows you to save the song, enabling playback later without the need for an internet connection, whether it be Wi-Fi or mobile data. By following these steps, you can enjoy a diverse selection of music for free without relying on iTunes or Spotify. Feel free to explore the Tubity FM app's features and make the most of its functionalities. I hope you find this comprehensive guide helpful, and be sure to stay tuned for more informative content in our next video.